Good morning, guys. How are you? How are you this Monday morning? Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. How are you this morning? Hey, from my side, this Monday morning, we thank God for another week, for the gift of life. Waking up healthy every morning, something to give thanks for. Especially when I remember, like 2 weeks ago, I was sick. I was not able to do anything. I wouldn't work. So when you're sick, that's when you realize sometimes just doing small things, that energy even of doing small things matters a lot. When you're healthy, some things you take for granted. You see, like it is normal. It's supposed to be, but when you're sick, that's when most of the time you realize that that's when you realize that it is by God's grace that we are able to wake up in the morning, to do the normal chores, to go to work, to do anything. So I say when you're healthy, you should be grateful for life and thank God for that. Today it's not so sunny. Always give thanks to the Almighty. Always to remember when you wake up every morning to say just thank you for the gift of life. Just thank you for seeing another day. So today I'm going to run some errands this morning. That side it's not clear. I'm going to run some errands this morning. Then I'll be back. Then I pass by to the market and get the omena. They are small fish for my cats. They haven't eaten them for some time now. But so I want today to buy for them. Which I understand right now they are out of market. And so they are very expensive as per now. Ooh, the sun has started coming out. It was covered by clouds, but now it's out. It's burning. Can you see? I don't know if you can see that. Mombasa walk as from 6 a.m. the sun is always so strong. not 6 a.m. by 6:30 a.m. Thanks God. Yes, I've been governed by plants again. Although it rained last night. Can see it rained last night, but it's like it never. Mombasa can be raining 1 minute, the next minute it's still hot. So it rained last night, but the weather today it's like it has never rained for months. That Mombasa for you. It rained, but still too hot. You see the shops here? People are never in a hurry. In Nairobi, shops are open as far as here. Here people open shops even at 9 a.m. Crossing the road. Please, I'm going, I can't use the camera. See you later. Get the small fish from the cats. Atakaza juice, itaziga. The mangoes produce but toka. Sasa hauna type ndogo, unauzaje?
Kuna ya 50 ya 100.
Eneo ni gani? Sawa, nitumie hiyo.
Pekee.
I'm getting the small fish. Nitumie vizuri. Wala sijui. Siku hizi siku hizi kuongeza mnaongeza hii.
Kwenye kugaro. Small Banana is too expensive nowadays. My cats are waiting for me to change them. I left the house before them. I'll boil it, then I give it to them. There's some who give without boiling. Can give them raw, but I don't like because they might get worms. So I like boiling, then I fill them. And when you give it raw, they tend to shell the fur too much. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Above, they can smell the small fish, and they have to wait until I boil it. Now they are fighting. See, wait, I prepare it. Wait. No. You wait. Go down. Come down. You wait. Whiskers down. Come down. Come down and wait, I boil. Maya, Whiskers, get down. Get down. You. And wait down there. No, you have to wait. Panda, how many times did I call you? Can you go? Down. I don't want anyone up here. I don't want anyone up here. You wait
This is $1, not $1, I think like less than $1. Let's say $1. You can feel the smell. Okay, it is here. Right down there. I also left without taking breakfast, so I have to prepare. I have to prepare something for myself. Water is boiling. Can you stop it? Stop. They are smelling it. You can give them like that, or I want to mix mine with rice because the way the economy is, buying that it's not enough for all the cut, so I have to mix with some rice. So I thought I can. This is the spoon. This one I don't use it for my food. This is the cat serving spoon. Though the omena is not bad, people eat omena. Still, this rice is not enough. When the omena is on season, I don't have to mix with rice. Right now it's off season. It's expensive. And then dry food too is expensive, so I have to balance. Some days I feed them with the dry food, some days omena plain, some other days omena mixed. Omena mixed with rice or ugali. Now that I want some of that. Stop it. I'm adding some ugali. Then I mix it well and I serve them. I have to mix well. If I don't mix well, they will not eat the ugali. So I have to mix so well. If I think like this, the omena both will take me 2 to 3 days. Otherwise, with this economy, feeding 6 cats, it's not easy. So for wet food, I give this. For dry food, I give cat food from the shop. You wait down there. This one is for them. This is for the boys. They eat together. Where are you fighting? This is for the boys. See? The 2 girls. I have 2 girls and 4 boys. Maya. And they are enjoying their meal. You see? This one. Pass this here. Come. Smile. So. The guards here. This one's fancy. If you try to remove it, I try to change the position. This one refused. If I change the position, she's not going to eat. So they have to eat here in the kitchen or the pantry. If not here, nowhere else. So guys, this is the end of my video. Please consider subscribing if you've not subscribed. Ring the notification bell. Take me to 1,000 subscribers. See you in my next video. Ciao.